To Connect GoPro with Gamechanger for real-time updates. So, Gamechanger is mainly a strong scoring, stats, and live updates app for baseball, softball, basketball, and more. It pretty much lets coaches and scores broadcast play-by-play updates to fans in real time. But however, Gamechanger does not directly integrate with GoPro cameras, meaning you can plug a GoPro into Gamechanger and have it stream video inside the app. Although for how it works, Game Changer live updates, it is text-based play-by-play plus stats, so it is automated as you score. The Game Changer live video, you can stream video, but only through its supported live streaming feature, which usually uses your phone or tablet camera. For GoPro streaming, if your GoPro supports live streaming, like via GoPro Quick app, you can stream to YouTube, Facebook, or RTMP compatible platforms. So we do have an option over here where if you go live with a GoPro, yes, it can help with pretty much updates, but it is indirect. You can stream your GoPro feed to YouTube or another platform and share the stream link with your pretty much fans in Game Changers team chat or event notes. At the same time, use the Game Changer app to score the game. Fans will then get both the video via your GoPro live stream link and then the real-time updates via Game Changer. So in other words, going live with GoPro doesn't connect directly to Game Changer, but it can complement it by presenting a live video feed alongside Game Changer's real-time scoring updates. So to go live, make sure all of this is pretty much secured, and you can start a live video stream from a GoPro. So select the appropriate stream, navigate to schedule tab and select the event that you wish to stream for, and then tap the record video button. Then just use the external camera. So if you haven't previously used the feature, grant Game Changer permission to use your device's camera and microphone. From the preview screen, tap external camera at the top of the screen and set the audience you wish to stream to. So more about audience controls here. You can just choose that if you want to open this website directly in your preferred browser. If you want to learn more, of course. But anyways, as you can see here, the video settings, select if you will share your stream with your opponent, then tap continue to external camera setup. Copy the full RTMP URL address from the Game Changer app by pressing on copy over here, which is the GoPro link. Open the GoPro Quick app and then tap on the camera icon in the bottom right of the screen. Connect to your GoPro, tap on the three dots in the top right next to your GoPro name. Select live stream, list of platforms will appear, so tap other than RTMP. Connect to a network of your choice and paste RTMP's information from Game Changer in the available space, which is this one over here. And once you do that, you can select your resolution and lens review if supported on your GoPro model. Tap on continue. It can take some time. Tap go live if the camera completes the setup. So when the stream starts in your GoPro device, you can navigate back to your Game Changer app, and approximately 30 to 45 seconds after your GoPro goes live, you and your stream viewers will see the live event title. So you can view your stream from within the Game Changer app by tapping into the live tile, and to end your stream, you must go from within the GoPro app. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.